Bitterness. Night after night, sitting at my window pane, driving myself slowly insane, asking myself why. Why did you have to lie? Why not just say goodbye? Wiped away my own tears, screamed away my own fears. I gave you more than I promised myself to. I opened up my world to you. My heart skipped when yours had a double beat. You gave meaning to my words that I couldn't speak. Now I'm left alone with just bitterness, lingering around like a sour kiss. Trying to put my pain into words, pen couldn't meet paper, so I go unheard. Oh, how I hate feeling this. Just another cold heart and some bitterness. Promise that I stay true. Gave my whole life to you, but you decided to go the other way. Silly me to beg you and stay. You see, I was caught up in some silly shit, thinking I was the one, but you wasn't feeling it. And now I'm left alone on the floor, crying my eyes out because all I want is more. More time in our love affair. More time for you to care. But you're going and I'm feeling sick. Drunk of love with a shot of bitterness. Still stuck in your pictures in my iPhone. Or why did you leave me alone? Broken hearted with never meant. Never want to hear your name again. Blaming myself for your stupidity. Your cheating ways, oh, ugly me. You promised the world to me. Now that you're gone, I've lost gravity. Lingering around like a sour kiss. All alone with this fucking bitterness. That's it. Let me know what your thoughts of it. I know I messed up a little bit and all that, but it's my first time. Bite me.